Hey guys, Lila here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this beautiful makeup look which I have on. If you'd like to see how I created this beautiful look which I have on, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please join the family. Click on the subscribe button just right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. It's a full face makeup tutorial on how I achieve this beautiful pink adorable makeup look which I have on. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching this video. Let's get right into it, guys. Let me stop laughing. Let's get right into it. I'm so excited. Starting out with priming my skin, I'm applying the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer all over my face. I used a small foundation brush to help in this process. Yeah, my skin is all primed. For foundation, I'm using two Maybelline foundation shades, 362 and 383. I'm using the same foundation brush just to apply that foundation all over my face. So you can see this one now, this shade I used here looks a bit lighter, but I mixed both foundation shades to get the shade which I'm currently on. So I'm going in with my Onyeka Pro concealer in the shade Chestnut and Beautiful Bronze. I just apply those two concealers to the corners of my face. That's my forehead area and my cheekbone area. And I'm using my foundation brushes to blend the two concealers in just to give the sides of my face some definition. I'm also going to reach out to contour the sides of my nose. I'm using the Chestnut concealer. It doesn't look dark enough. Well, what do we do? So I'm using the Onyeka Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan on the bridge of my nose just to highlight the bridge of my nose. And you can see with the Chestnut concealer being slightly darker, the contrast is not so much, but with the Cool Tan concealer it just highlights the bridge of my nose without still contouring very much. So I think I like how it turned out. So I'm also highlighting underneath my bottom lip area, and I'm using Onyeka Pro concealer in Cool Tan around the corners. No, I used Fawn around the corners while I'm using Cool Tan on the center. So I'm proceeding now to quickly draw in my eyebrows. I'm using the David's number 3 eyebrow pen to fill in my eyebrows. After I'm done with one side, I'm going to proceed now to fill out the other parts of my brows and start to blend in the highlight which I put underneath my bottom eye area. So after I blended the ones on my under eye area, I just extended the excess on the brush to the other part of my face that I wanted to highlight. So I'm reaching out for that darker foundation, that's the 383 I believe, and I'm just using it to just warm up, just to blend the corners of my face. Now to set my face, I'm using the Milani setting powder in medium, just to set the part of my face that I highlighted. And I'm also going to reach out for a darker powder to set the other part of my face which I didn't highlight, and that's the Black Opal setting powder in deep. So I'm just applying that powder to the other part of my face while I proceed now to defining my brow area. I have an in-depth brow tutorial, guys, check it out. I'm just setting the contours on the sides of my nose. I think I used the early pride. I used the deep shade from the Black Opal loose powder palette. Now it's time for eyeshadow, guys, and I'm using ENL Beauty, the Divine Eyeshadow Palette. Guys, if you don't have this palette, just head over quickly to the ENL Beauty's website to purchase this eyeshadow palette. You would absolutely love it. So I'm starting out with the shade named Onyeka. I'm using Onyeka to define my outer V area, and I'm using ENL Beauty's 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush to apply that shadow to my outer V area, while I'm applying an eyeshadow primer to the beginning part of my eyelids just to serve as a base for this pink eyeshadow which I'm using now on my eyelid area. And the name of this pink eyeshadow is Nkechi. Yes, Nkechi. The pink eyeshadow is my namesake. So guys, I'm just going further back. I'm just going back to my outer V area to just blend to make sure that the two eyeshadows sit in together. So I'm repeating the same step now on these other eyes. I'm just blending in that brown eyeshadow named Onyeka to my outer V area using the 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush. Just trying to make sure I blend it really well so that it's a smooth blend. It looks very flawless and really nice. So I'm going into that pink eyeshadow named Nkechi now just to apply it on my eyelids base. Yes. Then next next, to highlight my tear dot, I'm using a shadow with Onyinye just to highlight my tear dot. You guys already know I love that Onyinye eyeshadow. Like, I absolutely love Onyinye. So I'm going back to Onyeka. I'm going to use Onyeka just to smoke out my under eye area. That's like my lash line, like the bottom part of my lash line. Yeah. So I'm just going back to that Onyeka to just blend around my crease area, and I'm using Onyinye to highlight my brow bone area. So guys, now I'm applying that Mabrook extremely soft eyeliner pencil to my waterline on both sides, of course, and I'm also tight lining my eyes. That's lining the inner upper part of my waterline. So guys, now I'm proceeding now to apply my eyeliner. Just a very easy step. I think I have an in-depth tutorial on how to apply your eyeliner. I'm going to link it up below. So you're done your lashes now. I'm just trying to blend my false lashes in with my real lashes so it looks smooth, there's no demarcation, and just help my natural lashes look fuller and really nice. So guys, I went back in with that brush which I used in applying that deep powder just to dust off the excesses from the setting powder which I used. So now I'm proceeding now to contouring my face, and I'm using a brown eyeshadow from the Divine Eyeshadow Palette to contour the sides of my cheekbone area. And same thing applies to both sides, of course. You can't contour one side and leave the other side vacant. So for my blush, I'm using Chioma. Chioma is that shadow right there. I'm using Chioma as my blush on both sides of my cheeks. Yeah. So now for my highlights, I'm using Onyinye. Onyinye is the eyeshadow that I said I love so much. So I'm using Onyinye to highlight my cheekbone area. Next up, guys, I'm also going to use Onyinye to highlight the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow area. Yes, and I just slightly highlighted my forehead area a bit. So now it's time to line my lips, and I'm using ENL Beauty's Coffee Lip Liner. Guys, this lip liner is the bomb. If you don't have it, go and buy it. You would love it. So I'm applying the Coffee Lip Liner all around the corners of my lips just to, you know, define those lips and make them look very pecky. So apply. It's very creamy. It applies smoothly. You would absolutely love the Coffee Lip Liner, and I'm using ENL Beauty's lip liner in the shade Moyo. Yes. So I just applied it all around my lips, and I'm just smacking my lips now to get a smooth blend of both of them. So I went back in to reapply a bit while I smack my lips again. Yeah, I think I like how it looks. Yes, I do.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value out of this video, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Give it a huge thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends who are also going to enjoy it. And also, please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. And please make sure you check out my other makeup videos. Yeah, link somewhere. I don't know if I'm going to link it, but just make sure you check out my other makeup videos, hair tutorials on my channel, videos about entrepreneurship, vlogs about my personal life, and other amazing content, relationship content. Guys, check out my other videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Please, I forgot to add a very important information. Also, the product which I used in creating this look are from ENL Beauty. ENL Beauty is my makeup brand. Please support us. Link in the description box to purchase the Divine Eyeshadow Palette from ENL Beauty. Guys, if you don't have the eyeshadow which I used in creating this look, like God, are you sleeping under a rock? Head over to ENL Beauty's website to purchase the Divine Eyeshadow Palette and other amazing products which we have. Like, our lip liners are so creamy, guys. They are so creamy. Our nude lipsticks are the best nude lipsticks you could find. You could get your hands on, and they are very affordable. They are very high quality products. We also have matte lipsticks. We have eyeshadow. We have a mini eyeshadow. We have mascaras. We have eyeliners. Guys, head over to our website and purchase our product, and there's a coupon code which you could use to get discount off your first order. Once you just sign up on our website to our email list, you get a coupon code in your email, so you can use the coupon code to get 10% off after you have completed your order. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. I love you. Bye.